Hello YouTube, meet my friend Avrit. He does not talk much on camera, but he's a very good photographer. Together we decided to join 17 riders for an adventurous trip across the beautiful and dynamic terrains of South India. Well, there were 19 of us. I will introduce you to rest of them through the journey. Jake.
Yeah.
Are you excited for the boat ride?
Yeah, I want to see some wildlife.
Day 5 of the trip was all about lazing around and sink in the beauty of the nature around Thekkady in Kerala. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. We are at Periyar Tiger Reserve and we are actually staying right in the center of Periyar Tiger Reserve. And so I woke up to a very beautiful morning and then we went around, explored the town. There's a small town named as Komli nearby. And now we are here. We are going for a boat ride. Probably we might see some tiger. I'm really excited for the trip. And we'll start from here and I'll keep you all posted. We quickly boarded our boat and got settled in our space.
It's a lake is called Periyar Lake. Periyar Lake. It is a man-made lake. It's made by British. It's started the construction of the lake is 1882. The form of the lake is 1895. So that's why you can see the trees. You can see the lake. There are so many tree trunks are there. These all trees are it's naturally because after the dam the water flooded on the area. The lake is split around 26 square kilometer. It's not like a length base, it's like a splattered over there.
After a quick briefing session, we started our ride towards Lake Palace.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well.
While we were wading through calm waters, we were blessed with a view of amazing greenery and some wild forms around us. Avrit managed to click a few through his camera.
So let's just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will.
It was an hour-long boat ride through the lake, and we made it to Lake Palace, where we had planned to have our lunch.
It's not that you're
What's up, Alex? How's it going?
Yeah, good.
Do you like the boat ride?
Yeah, it's very good. We saw Bramley kites, otters, kingfishers, lots of cormorants, a flock of egrets, lots of things. It's very pretty.
Nice.
And now we have lunch.
and I'd stop thinking of this over. Let us just do my love and see where this road.
After a luscious meal, everybody started lazing around, and I asked a few about their experience so far.
My name's Colin Rowe. I come to India for 2 weeks, riding motorbikes down through the southern India.
What is about bike that excites you?
Freedom, speed. You don't feel near to life unless you're close to death.
My name is Robin Hardesty. I'm probably the least experienced biker in this group. And the oldest, yes, that's true. And I'm absolutely delighted to be in this part of India. The countryside is beautiful. The people we're riding with are extraordinary. They're a wonderful group of people. In a previous life I used to fly aeroplanes, and I can say that when we used to dogfight, we called that the sport of kings. Well, riding motorbikes is pretty close to it. Maybe the sport of princes or something like that.
Hello, my name's Peter. I'm here as part of the India Bike Tour 2018. I was privileged to come last year and do parts of North India, so very excited about coming back this year to do parts of the South. I love motorbikes, I have several, but actually the Royal Enfield motorbike is the bike in India, and for that reason it makes this tour really extra special. We've been lucky enough to see some amazing scenery, as you can see here, and looking much forward to the next part and the next bits that we're going to see. Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so.
After a much needed refreshing break at the palace, we headed towards our hotel.
You shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom.
It's 4 o'clock in the evening and we are back to our hotel. We have plans of going for an elephant ride now, which is like 2 kilometers away from this place, so it should not take us more than 20 minutes. So we are not taking the bikes right now because it'll be very hectic otherwise. So we'll take the bus, which was the support vehicle for us. So we'll take this bus, which is right behind me. And yeah, so we'll start from here and I'll keep you all posted. Driving through the beautiful town Komli for about 20 minutes, we reached the spot for elephant ride. This is my favorite memory from the trip because it was the first time I was riding on an elephant.
Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa.
It was a long and an eventful day. We reached our hotel by evening and we were all refreshed for our ride next day. That's all from this part. What happens next? Stay tuned for the next part from my South India bike trip.
It's the second person. We're just sort of coasting down it quite nice and smooth.
It's quite a chorus in the background.
What are you tripping on?
Huh?
What are you tripping on?
Listen.
It's gone.
No, it's still there. It's just gone into mute.
So relates to that.
You don't believe me?
No, I believe you.
Okay.
You would have seen.
Here we go. Here. It's coming back. It's just teasing you because you've got a camera.